Okay, so we're going to do some peeps on the HarvestRight with the version 6 software. I got the peeps up on the phone. We're going to hit the start with recommended settings. Start new candy batch because we just finished saltwater taffy. That's saying load trays into freeze dryer. Okay, so let's get those peeps out onto these trays and load them into the freeze dryer. Won't put too many on, maybe. My wife likes these regular, so we're not going to do all of them. We'll do maybe like 4 of each or so. She likes to let them set out and get stale. Good enough for me. Okay, I'll get those trays loaded in. You know what? I'm going to put parchment on top just in case. Just got done doing some taffy, that's why there's spots on the parchment. Just reuse it as much as I can during the day. And I throw it away. Go through a bunch of it. Amazing how cold that tray is compared to that top one right now. So, probably going to have issues with that, I'm sure. Get these loaded and see what she says to do. Let these hold that back a little bit so we can see these ones. See them puff up. Click continue. This is going to want to pre-warm them for 5 minutes at 130 degrees. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the bottom tray for the middle tray in 2.5 minutes. That way they get warm too. So give me a few minutes, I'll bring you back. Okay, we're about 2.5 minutes into the warm-up. I'm going to swap these middle with the bottom because they have not been getting hot enough. So I'm going to move the bottom up to the middle down. And it seems like, I don't know, warming marshmallows don't seem right. But that's what the settings say, so we're just doing it. And I'll bring you back in a minute. And we should get a pump kicking on here in a second. There we go. And we're getting some rise out of the peeps. Hey, it doesn't look like we did too much of a rise. That's good. Okay, we'll bring you back when they're done, and that will be 3 hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so the peeps just got done drying. I just got a notification on my phone. So let's let the air back in and see how they turned out. Oh, the parchment on top made them come out a little easier. Oh my gosh, you look so funny. Oh my gosh. Miranda, wait till you see this giant one. Don't know what happened to that one. Okay, so for the most part, I think they all turned out pretty good. Let me bring you down here and show you what I was laughing at. That is what I was chuckling about. That thing is so funny. But the rest of them look pretty good. If you like our videos, like, subscribe, click the notification. And we'll see you on the next one.